Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
I will show you an easy method to remove safe mode on a Vivo phone. First, press and hold the power button until the reboot menu appears on screen. Tap Restart and wait for the phone to power off and reboot normally. If safe mode persists after reboot, check the power menu again for a safe mode toggle. You should see safe mode in a corner. Note that rebooting often clears temporary glitches. Try this restart method before moving to deeper troubleshooting steps or resets. If restart did not work, use the notification panel to check safe mode status. Swipe down from the top and look for a safe mode notification or icon. Long press the notification to open settings and tap Turn off safe mode if available. Also remove any external case and clean the volume keys to prevent stuck button triggers. A stuck volume or power key often forces safe mode during boot on Vivo phones. Gently press each side button 5 times to ensure they release properly before rebooting. If safe mode remains, uninstall recent third-party apps installed in the last 24 hours. Open Settings, go to Apps, sort by installation date, and remove suspicious apps quickly. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset from Settings and Recovery. Factory reset will erase all personal data, so confirm backups to cloud or PC first. After reset, set up your Vivo phone normally and verify safe mode no longer appears. Contact Vivo support if problems persist after reset and uninstall steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.